most YouTubers, they don't reveal some of these tips. 10 key things that you need to do for your video to go viral. Whether you have 50,000, whether you have, I don't care the number of subscribers that you have, but how can you have a viral video? Someone can post a video yesterday, you have the same number of subscribers, actually maybe even having a bigger number of subscribers than you, but you may plan and post your video today, and your video may go viral than his or her. So here it's what I'm going to show you. Basically, for the starters, you need to plan. Number one, you need to plan for the type of content that you're going to do. Plan, have a concept, plan the type of video that you're going to do. If you're in sports, then you have got that sports content that you want to share. How have you shared it? So plan the script. Planning is very key in video making process. As I'm recording this video, I've planned how to put this on the screen. I've planned the microphone I will use. I've planned the camera I will use. I've planned even the words I will use now. So it means I've already planned the type of video even, and now my video is in digital. So I've already planned. So plan and make sure you are well versed with the topic that you want to share with the public, so that people will keep watching. It sucks for someone to watch your video for 20 seconds and just goes away, and that video may not go viral. They should be stuck on your video. So number one is to plan for your content. Number two, just to still on basic. Number two, make sure you have a clear sound. A clear sound is very key. It may not be clear as such, but at least if you're audible. Now, like mine, I know it's not such clear. But if you're audible that someone can hear what you're saying, that is enough. You don't need to buy expensive microphones, because you buy a microphone today, which is on market, tomorrow they bring an expensive one, a good one. So these people, they will keep innovating new things. Even gadgets keep innovating new things. What is important is as long as you're audible, and that is number two. Three, make sure you have a clear footage. Yeah, you can see my camera. So if you have a clear footage, people will be interested to watch your video for longer, because they will be at some point impressed with the footage and hence watching your video. So these are first three key things that you need to engage in, or to put straight, so that you have audience, you have people watching your video. Most viral videos are those which are in HD format, high definition videos. Yes, make sure your videos are so nice and attractive to viewers, even if content may be not as such, but your video is very, very paramount to content creation. And even you can have a talk back. Now, like me, have a talk back to hear what you're saying, okay, or to monitor your words. So a talk back is very paramount to content creation, and hearing what you're saying, because that's why some find they use these headsets, but me, I'm not used to. I don't like them, by the way. But if I test and hear that now my sound is clear on the bars, I can see, then there I go. So I've told you three: planning, the concept, the niche. I've told you number two, have a clear sound and have a clear footage. By the way, a clear sound, instead of having a clear footage without sound, you rather have a clear sound with a poor footage. That's the tactic. That's the, to my understanding. So a clear sound helps people to watch, even if the video in 360 pixel, people, they will still watch your video as long as they can hear what you're saying. So you have your video, you have your sound, you have your camera, the camera gear, then you have the content. Now you're going to film. Then after filming, then you're going to uploading. What are the key things to upload? Basically, like me, I cannot upload a video without these things. One, I cannot publish a video without a thumbnail. Make sure you have a very good thumbnail, eye-catching thumbnails. In my computer here, I have a couple of thumbnails that I can show you here. I cannot upload a video without a thumbnail. Okay, so they help you a lot. You can see all these videos, or those are photos, they are thumbnails. I cannot upload a video, publish it without a thumbnail. I cannot do that. Actually, most of them I delete, but my computer is full of these thumbnails. Okay, so another thing that you need to consider when creating content, you need to make sure to have a clear topic of the video. If the video speaks exactly, if the video is speaking about, for instance, bottle wine, make sure your video, even the script will be about bottle wine. Have the title of the video reflect what is in the message, because it will help the algorithm of YouTube to push it directly to people after understanding its objective and what is exactly what's inside. So, but we may be doing a video which is different from the topic, may be different from what is inside the video. So another thing, you need to have hashtags. Make sure if you are publishing news, maybe content, make sure maybe put hashtag YouTube, hashtag content creation, hashtag social media, hashtag YouTube, hashtag 7, hashtag Boboin, hashtag VSJ, hashtag Trump. Make sure you put hashtag in the description. Then make sure you have a hook in your video. What is a hook? A hook is something that you start with to trigger someone of what is in the video. A hook is like an intro of what is inside in the video. So make sure that in your video you put a hook. For instance, maybe I may react differently in 10 minutes. So it is important, if you're filming someone and react different 10 minutes, you bring that the 10-minute part, you start with it, then you start afresh after like 30 seconds or 20 seconds of the hook. That hook works very well. Make sure you have SEO. There is SEO down, this is SEO, search engine optimization tags. There you put them this side. Search engine optimization tags, you have to put them in YouTube, on this, in YouTube Studio, this side, yeah, where you're going to this add tags. So you make sure you put YouTube, YouTube, maybe you put 7, so make sure you put those hashtags, these tags. They can help identify and send message the video to exact audience, so they help a lot. Then after putting your search engine optimization, make sure you put a clear description. Actually, your description, you'll get these tags from the description. Then after the description, what else you have to add in the video? Yes, you have to have a playlist on your channel. Yes, create a number of playlists. If you have viral people, make sure you have playlists of those people. Me, I have plenty of playlists on my channel, this channel that we have got this award. I have plenty of playlists. Make sure that if you have topics, maybe like YouTube for beginners, make a playlist. Maybe if you have YouTube for experts, put a playlist. If you have if it is content creation, hacking, maybe it is avoiding thumbnail designing. So make sure that each topic, or if it's about Boboin, create playlist for a certain person for Boboin. If you want to do content from 7, make sure that you have playlists for 7, because those playlists, they will help a lot in the search engine. When someone is searching, may land on your video first time. So those are 10 key things for me I do before publishing a video and leave it there. So if I know many of you may be interested to know this deeper, and I will be revealing them topic by topic, one by one. The hooking, how to have a good hook, how to have a good thumbnail, how to have a clear topic, how to have a good description with a disclaimer. So many things. But these are very key to moving the video viral. And one of the last things that moves a video viral is to collaborate your video with grown-up creators, all to boost it. So I want to thank you and for watching this video. If you find it very informative, share it with friends, family, and make sure they enjoy it. Yes, and in case you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I'll be ready to make more videos explaining about these things. So this channel is about content creation, Jokali digital. Thank you for watching. Share this video to a friend. God bless you.